Isis Candy is yet another new tomato variety for me this year, and I'm so glad I finally tried it after seeing others growing it the past couple of years. It is an indeterminate cherry tomato, and they take on marbled coloring. A lot of seed companies call it a bicolor tomato, and if you look closely enough, you can see the marbling on them. And I had been harvesting and eating them at this color or stage, but there were some that I picked and I just didn't eat them right away, and they ended up turning into this gorgeous reddish orange shade. So now I either leave them on the vine a little longer or I wait for them to ripen a little more inside if I've already picked them to get them to this shade. Inside, they are orange and their flavor is rich and very fruity. It's got a really nice, sweet, bright flavor, and even more so if I let them ripen to that reddish orange color. For me, it is a fairly productive plant. I wouldn't say nearly as productive as a variety like Sun Gold, where I can pick a bowlful nearly every day, but it's definitely still worth it to me to keep growing.